Welcome to your AI Students Hub. This is your all-in-one tool to streamline your college experience, whether you're tackling complex assignments, preparing for exams, or just need some extra help with your coursework. It's designed to make your study sessions more efficient and effective. In the Hub, you'll find assistants ready to help you with a variety of subjects, whether it's business management, marketing, sciences, or any other college-level course. These assistants already have the larger materials you provided at setup, like your textbooks. This means the bot has what it needs to help you dig deeper into your lessons and assignments. You'll notice some preset prompts. These are just here to get you started. Think of them as helpful suggestions or examples of the kinds of questions you might ask. But remember, you're not limited to these prompts. Feel free to ask anything that's on your mind related to your coursework. For example, you might want to analyze a specific case study, get assistance with a research project, or ask for tips on preparing for your next exam. Just type your question into the chat box, and your assistant will provide the most relevant and helpful answer it can. If typing isn't your thing, you can use the microphone feature. Here's how it works. First, press the mic button and then release it. After you release, start talking. When you pause, your speech will be printed as text in the chat box. If it stops too soon, just press the mic again, speak more, and repeat until your message is complete. You can always edit the text in the message box before sending it. Need to share an image or document with your assistant? You can use the camera icon to take a picture, or the upload button to share smaller images or documents that are relevant to your chat. This is handy for quick references or if you want to show your work. Remember, the assistant already has your larger class materials, so this is for anything additional you want to include. So this is for anything extra you want to add. Keep in mind that the assistant remembers your conversation during your chat session, but after 1 hour of inactivity, or if you clear the chat, everything resets. If you have a series of questions, it's best to ask them all in the same session. Want to save or share the information you get from your assistant? Use the share button to send it to someone, or the print button to make a hard copy for later. This can be really helpful for reviewing your notes or collaborating with classmates. If you want to switch gears and start a new topic, just hit the New Chat button. This will clear the memory of the bot for that specific topic, allowing you to start a fresh conversation. Remember, your AI assistant is here to help you succeed in your studies. Use it to explore ideas, review complex concepts, and get support with your assignments. And don't forget, you can customize the way you interact with your assistant, whether by typing, speaking, or sharing documents. It's all about making your college experience as smooth and effective as possible. So dive in, explore the AI Students Hub, and take full advantage of the resources at your fingertips. Here's to your success.